In this comprehensive review, we're taking an in-depth look at the iPad mini 6. Apple has managed to pack a surprising amount of power into this small form factor, making it a compelling option for those who prioritize portability without sacrificing performance. Let's explore the key features that set the iPad mini 6 apart. Starting with its display, Apple has opted for a larger 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display, offering a more immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the A15 Bionic chip ensures snappy performance for demanding tasks, whether it's gaming, editing photos and videos, or simply browsing the web. The iPad mini 6 also boasts a dual camera system on the back, capable of capturing high-quality photos and videos. Whether you're a student, a professional on the go, or simply someone looking for a versatile tablet, the iPad mini 6 is worth considering. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into its design, battery life, and overall user experience to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. The iPad mini 6 boasts a powerful heart in the form of the A17 Pro chip. This cutting-edge processor, also found in the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, delivers exceptional performance that effortlessly handles resource-intensive tasks. Whether you're editing videos, indulging in immersive gaming experiences, or juggling multiple apps simultaneously, the A17 Pro's processing prowess ensures a smooth and efficient experience. The iPad mini's 60Hz display, while not the highest refresh rate available, still provides a visually satisfying experience. The screen's colors are vivid and accurate, making images and videos pop. Its sharp resolution ensures that text and graphics appear crisp and clear, even when viewed up close. The iPad mini's smaller form factor makes it perfect for one-handed use and easy to carry around. Whether you're watching movies, browsing the web, or reading ebooks, the display's size and quality make it an ideal companion for on-the-go entertainment and productivity. The iPad mini is available in a range of storage capacities to cater to diverse user requirements. For individuals who primarily use their devices for basic tasks like browsing the web, checking emails, and streaming videos, the 128GB model provides ample storage space. However, those who frequently download and store large files, such as high-resolution photos, videos, or games, might benefit from the 256GB or 512GB options. These larger storage capacities offer the flexibility to store a substantial amount of content without the need for frequent file management or cloud storage. While the iPad mini 6 isn't specifically designed as a camera-centric device, its dual camera setup offers a surprising level of photographic capability. The rear-facing 12-megapixel camera is equipped with a wide lens, allowing you to capture clear and detailed photos of your surroundings. Whether you're taking pictures of friends, family, or scenic landscapes, the iPad mini 6 delivers impressive results. For selfies and video calls, the front-facing 7-megapixel camera does a commendable job. Its wide aperture ensures that your face is well lit and that your features are captured accurately. The camera also supports various video recording resolutions, making it suitable for video conferencing, creating short clips, or even capturing quick time-lapse sequences. The iPad mini 6 is a compact and powerful tablet that is perfect for on-the-go use. One of its standout features is its compatibility with the second-generation Apple Pencil. This allows for precise drawing, note-taking, and creative work, making it a great choice for students, artists, and professionals. The second-generation Apple Pencil features a magnetic attachment to the side of the iPad mini 6, making it easy to carry around and use. The pencil also has a wider tip, which makes it easier to draw and write. Additionally, the second-generation Apple Pencil supports double tapping to switch between drawing and erasing. The iPad mini 6 is also equipped with a powerful A15 Bionic chip, which makes it fast and responsive. The tablet also has a 5.4-inch Liquid Retina display, which is bright and colorful. Additionally, the iPad mini 6 has a 12-megapixel rear-facing camera and a 7-megapixel front-facing camera. The iPad mini 6 starts at $499 for the 128GB Wi-Fi model. It will be available for purchase on October 23, 2024. The iPad mini 6 is a remarkable tablet that delivers an exceptional blend of power and portability. Equipped with the cutting-edge A17 Pro chip, It boasts lightning-fast performance that can effortlessly handle demanding tasks, from multitasking to running resource-intensive apps. The versatile storage options allow you to choose the perfect storage capacity based on your needs, ensuring ample space for your files, photos, and videos. One of the standout features of the iPad mini 6 is its compatibility with the Apple Pencil. This stylus enables precise drawing, note-taking, and editing, making it a valuable tool for creative professionals and students alike. Whether you're using it for work, study, or entertainment, the iPad mini 6 offers a seamless and enjoyable experience. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around, while its powerful performance and versatile features ensure that it can handle any task you throw at it. If you're looking for a tablet that combines power, portability, and versatility, the iPad mini 6 is an excellent choice.